lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today is Mother's Day. We're moving to Houston, Texas. I used to stay there before. I'm just moving back. I'm stayed in Houston a couple of times. I done been there when I was a kid and my parents went to college. I was there when I went to college, and I came back after I had my daughter, and now I'm going back again. So this is gonna be, it's not a long drive. It's really supposed to be 4 hours. When I drive myself with my regular car, I make it usually in like 2 hours, 30 minutes. You know, speeding, but you not don't speed, guys. Okay. We're driving with the U-Haul, so it's gonna be a little bit different than normal. So I will let y'all know how long it is, and I'll let y'all know what the process is like and things like that when I get to the apartment. We're gonna hook up my car to the dolly, and then that's it. Alrighty, so right now I'm on the way to Houston. I'm driving my daddy's truck. He's driving the U-Haul with my car attached to it. So I will let y'all know when we get to Houston, Texas. I'm running my errands. I'm trying to get decorations for the apartment. I'm going to At Home, and then I'm going to Home Goods, and then we're gonna see what's in there. If I can't find nothing in there, I'm gonna just go back again because I need decor, and I hope I don't have to get everything off of Amazon. I don't wanna slap me up, don't wanna fit. I don't wanna y'all, if you know me, you know I love me some Harry Potter. I'm not gonna buy it though. But I want to. It's a lot of stuff in here, don't get me wrong, but like none of it is what I'm looking for. We're gonna try the living spaces, because why not? Baby, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to where I feel so bad that I feel it in my chest, and I want it. This is for sure more my style. I love how they have like all of the different types of houses, maybe like different styles that you might like. Like, I'm in love with this rug. Everything in here. That too. Then they have little rooms. Like, this is super cute. It's like a home inside of a store. That's literally my favorite part. And then they have like this. You see? I have like 4 different types of houses. I feel like a kid in a candy store, y'all. Like, I can't figure out what I want. It's so many options in here. Like, they're trying to break my pockets, y'all. I'm still gonna get more decorations than what I just got in my furniture. Okay, so I was going to, you know, show y'all a little bit more when I got here, but the way things ended up working out, turning out, I had to unpack stuff. Me, I'm the type of person that when I move into an apartment, you know, some people, they just chill with the boxes everywhere. You know, just be chilling. Pull out the immediates. Me? No. I need everything unpacked. I need everything put up. I need everything clean. I need everything done. So I was able to get all of that done these past 2 days because it's definitely Monday. And yeah, the Saturday that I came here, I got everything unpacked out of the U-Haul. My brothers and them, they all helped with the movers, get everything upstairs for me. I got my TV mounted. Yeah. And don't mind all of this right here. I'm trying to set up this little yacht. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. But yeah, I'm trying to get this lock set up so I can put it on my door. I already kind of did everything in the apartment. I will show you what it looks like here. Yeah, and then it's gonna be a day and a nighttime thing. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like at night over here, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the daytime over here, so that way you kind of see both. But I absolutely love my apartment. I cannot wait till it's fully done. I'm bringing my daughter out here too. So I was able to move rather cheaply. I don't know if it's cheap to everybody else, but it was cheap to me. It wasn't that much. My U-Haul just one way from Dallas was like $300+ because I had to get a dolly tow for my car to be on there. Then it's just, I don't know, moving in here, the movers didn't cost that much. I was able to get my movers from U-Haul. They had like suggestions on there, so I didn't spend more than like $150 on movers to get everything in here. I didn't have to pay nobody to mount my TVs because my daddy did that. He did that for my room too. My daughter's room, I'm not mounting her TV. She doesn't need to mount, she'll be alright. And then staying here, it's not that expensive either. It's really not expensive to live in Texas in general. So if you want to know how much it costs to stay here or anything like that, please let me know in the comments. Other than that, yeah, it's just not that much. I'm just so happy. I've been through a lot. Y'all don't understand. I've been through a lot these past couple of months. I was supposed to move to Houston in July, but I got hurt really, really bad. I'll talk about it eventually. Not yet. I'll probably do a story time because it's really sad. But I got hurt and I was in the hospital for like a month. I didn't walk after that for about a month and a half or a couple weeks after that. And then I started walking again. I was in a wheelchair for a long time. So it was just a long time recovering. All of this happened like way before my vlog to Cabo. So it's just like, it's just been a journey. I done had multiple surgeries that I had to do to get myself together. So I'm just happy that now I'm finally where I'm supposed to be, where I've been trying to get back to, which is Houston, Texas. But I'm from Dallas still. Dallas is still better. Just saying. But yeah, I'm so happy my friends and family love my apartment. Like, I couldn't have asked for anything better. And then I do have a couple of trips coming up. I'm supposed to be going to Canada next week, as I told y'all before. And then I'm going to Aruba the week after that. My birthday is in the midst of all that, birthday dinners, all that. Looks is going to be given, hairstyles is going to be given. It ain't going to be this. It's not going to be this. I'm going to get my hair done. I will be vlogging my whole process of me getting ready for my birthday, like vlogging my hair appointments, vlogging my nails, makeup, dinner, leaving, all that. I'll show all of y'all that. I got a lot of good content that's about to come out. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. That is a wrap for this vlog. For my moving process, I will be again updating y'all on the decor in here. Sorry to decorate just a little bit, but I need more decoration because this is nice. I need it to match. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you can be able to see my next couple videos of me and my trips, what I'm doing on my trips, my birthday, how it goes, if it goes good, because it will go good. That is the only other option. My birthday will go good, okay? Just saying. Hey, my lovelies, if you guys have any questions about the moving process or anything that you may think I left out, please leave it in the comments down below. Bye, my lovelies.